I've been using the CoinMarketCap mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose CoinMarketCap was its extensive coverage of the cryptocurrency market. The app provides real-time data on over 35,000 active crypto markets, including price charts, market capitalizations, and exchange rankings, making it a comprehensive tool for tracking various cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the app offers a customizable watch list that syncs between mobile and desktop platforms, allowing me to monitor my favorite coins seamlessly. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, some users have reported issues with the app's performance, including glitches where totals, coin prices, and charts fail to refresh, leading to a less reliable tracking experience. Additionally, while the app provides a wealth of information, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming for newcomers, requiring a learning curve to navigate effectively. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user interface. CoinMarketCap offers a user-friendly design that caters to both novice and experienced cryptocurrency enthusiasts. However, some users have expressed dissatisfaction with the app's interface, citing issues with coin tracking accuracy and outdated information, which can impact the overall user experience. Overall, my experience with the CoinMarketCap mobile app has been positive. The app's extensive data coverage and customizable features have been invaluable for tracking my cryptocurrency investments. However, the reported performance issues and the complexity of information may be factors to consider for some users. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.